Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. My name is Hamna Awais and I'm your preschool teacher. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. You are now in prep class. Welcome to prep class, dear students. And do you know one thing? When I was a kid, I used to listen to stories from my grandmother and my mother also. I enjoyed a lot. I know you also like to listen to stories. That's why today I have a surprise for you. I am going to tell you a story. The name of the story is Hansel and Gretel. And this is the title page of the storybook. You can see here a boy, a girl, and a lady. And yes, there are so many sweets also. It's a story of a brother and a sister. The brother name is Hansel and the sister name is Gretel. And here are the pictures of Hansel and Gretel. They both live with their parents in a house near the woods. They like to play in the woods, but their mother warns them it's dangerous to go in the woods. One day, they lose their way in the woods. And suddenly, they see a house. Yes, a yummy house. A house made of different sweets and candies. They knock the door and the kind-looking lady opens the door. She welcomes them. And do you know, dear students, that kind-looking lady is actually a witch who traps them and locks Hansel in a room. And poor Gretel is forced to do all the housework. But one day, Gretel somehow manages to push the witch into the big oven in her house and releases her brother. They run from the woods and finally reach their home back and are happy to meet their parents again. Dear students, I hope you enjoyed this story. Now it's time to read the page number 1 of our storybook. Hurry up, go and get your storybooks. We will read the page number 1 of our storybook, Hansel and Gretel. You will put the finger on the word I will read. Hansel and Gretel are brother and sister. Hansel and Gretel are brother and sister. They live with their parents in a house near the woods. Read again with me and put the finger on the word I read. Hansel and Gretel are brother and sister. They live with their parents in a house near the woods. Very good. One time more, read with me. Hansel and Gretel are brother and sister. They live with their parents in a house near the woods. Dear students, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Now it's time for your home assignment. You will read page number 1 of Hansel and Gretel and send the videos of your reading to your teachers. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, dear students.